Welcome to Pramit's Toy World. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox my brand new Bugatti Divo. So let's start. And the brand new review. You like it? And now for the special part. It does two places. This spot and this spot. See how nice it is, even pull back. And you know guys, I promised you I'll get this car one day. And today, it's actually the day we bought. Taillights? Yeah. And there are also taillights there. Oops. Cool. How it looks. Nice. Okay, thanks. Now let's give it a go on a fly. 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh no. It's a car. Sports car, yes, sports car. From the company Bugatti. Saved from falling. And one more thing about Divos. In real life, there are 40 copies of this car made. 40 real cars made. So hope you like it. Good thing I bought it. A model of it. Do you like it guys? Super sweet, hai na? It's also made out of metal. Super hard. Super strong also. And if you want to watch the entire all of the videos of my Bugatti collection, you can watch the other two videos of them on my channel. Now this is the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, just search for my name, PRAMIT. Bye.